Hello students, in this lesson we are going to learn how to factorize a quadratic trinomial. A quadratic expression is an expression having a degree 2. Let us understand this with the help of an example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. In this expression, the highest exponent of x is 2. So this is a quadratic expression. We have to learn how to factorize this as a product of two binomials. Let us understand this with the help of this identity. X plus a into x plus b. When we multiply two binomials, we first break up the first bracket. X into x plus b plus a into x plus b, which can be further simplified as x squared plus bx plus ax plus a into b. These are like terms. So x squared plus, it can be written as a plus b or b plus a, x plus a into b. Now when we compare this expression and this expression, x square matches, 5x matches with a plus bx and 6 matches with a into b. So if we need to factorize this expression as the product of two binomials, we need a and a b. So for that we need to check what are the factors of 6 which can multiply us to give us 6 and which add up to give us 5. So 1 6 are 6, 2 3 are. These are the factors of 6. 1 into 6 is 6, but 1 plus 6 does not give us 5. 2 into 3 is 6, but 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So we can use over here x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. We can divide this into two parts. In the first part, x is common, x plus 3 is left behind. In the second part, we have plus 2x plus 6, which can be written as 2 into 3. So plus 2 comes out common, and what is left is x plus 3. Again, in these two terms, first term and the second term, x plus 3 comes out common, and what is left is x plus 2. So this expression, x squared plus 5x plus 6, is factorized as a product of two binomials, x plus 3 into x plus 2. Let us take another example. X squared plus 15x plus 50. Now let us take the factors of 50. Because we need two numbers a and b, which sum should be 15 and whose product should be 50. So 1 into 50 gives you 50. 2 into 25 gives you 50. 5 into 10 gives you 50. And 5 plus 10 also gives us 15. So x squared plus 10x plus 5x plus 50. First part, second part. In the first part, x is common. X plus 10 is left behind. In the second part, this is 5 into x plus 5 into 10. So 5 and 5 can come out common. So plus 5 comes out common and x plus 10 is left behind. Again now there are two terms, first term, second term. In the first term, x plus 10 comes out common and what is left is x plus 5. So x squared plus 15x plus 50 is factorized as x plus 10 and x plus 5. Let us take an example with a negative sign. X squared minus 10x plus 24. Now we need two numbers a and b where the sum is minus 10 and the product is plus 24. Now that is possible only when both the numbers a and b are having a negative sign, because we know a negative number into a negative number will give you a positive number. So let us check what are the factors of 24. One into 24, 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24 and 4 6s are 24. Now the best numbers which will fit in this will be minus 4 and minus 6, because minus 4 into minus 6 will, minus 4 into minus 6 will give you plus 24 and minus 4 minus 6 will give us minus 10. So minus 4 plus minus 6 gives you plus minus 10 and minus 4 into minus 6 gives us plus 24. So x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 24. In the first part, x comes out common, x minus 6 is left behind. In the second part, we have minus 4x and plus 24. Now plus 24 is nothing but a product of minus 4 into minus 6. So if minus 4 is coming out common, x minus 6 is left behind. Now in this term and this term, x minus 6 is common and x minus 4 is left behind. So the two factors of x square minus 10x plus 24 will be x minus 6 into x minus 4. Let us take one more example. P square plus 6p minus 16. Now we need the sum to be plus 6 and the product should be minus 16. So factors of 16, 1 into 16, 2 8s are 16 and 4 4s are 16. Now 1 and 16 will not give you plus 6. 2 and 8 plus 2 minus 8. Plus 2 minus 8 will give you minus 6. But we need plus 6. So it will be plus 8 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 8 gives you minus 6 and minus 2 into 8 gives you minus 16. So our A and B are minus 2 and plus 8. So P square plus 8P minus 2P minus 16. In the first part, P comes out common. P plus 8 is in the bracket. Now minus 2P and minus 16 can be written as minus 2 into 8. So if minus 2 comes out common, P plus 8 will be left behind because your 8 is having a plus sign. So if your minus 2 comes out common, P plus 8 is left behind. Now in first term and in the first part and second part, x plus 8 is common, P plus 8 is common, and what is left is P minus 2. So P square plus 6P minus 16 can be factorized as P plus 8 into P minus 2. Okay students, if you have understood the concept of how to factorize a quadratic trinomial, you can factorize this example. Factorize y square plus y minus 72. Thank you.